Hi everybody, long time no see. It feels so good to be sitting down and filming today. It feels like ages since I've done this. It's been a few months since my last video, so it's basically been ages. Happy 2018. I hope you guys had a wonderful holiday season and a happy new year. One of my resolutions for this year is to get back into regularly uploading videos, and I have a whole list and a whole schedule in mind. So today I thought I would share 5 things I've been loving lately with you guys because it's been a long time since I've done a favorites video, and so I thought I'd share what I'm into these days. My first favorite recently has been these new traveler-sized bottles from Swell. Now the original or like classic Swell bottles have always been really tall and skinny, and something about that never appealed to me. I think because they had like a narrower mouth so you couldn't put ice in them as easily, and they're tall and skinny so they get knocked over easily. But when I saw that Swell released these kind of shorter, fatter bottles, I was all about it. Another one of my resolutions for 2018 is to stop buying water, especially plastic water bottles, because it's bad for the environment and it's expensive. Like, why would we ever buy water somewhere where you can just fill something up and take it with you? So I picked this bottle up. This is the 16-ounce size. I believe they have a 20-ounce and maybe also an even squattier like 12-ounce size maybe in this traveler line, and it comes in a ton of different colors. They also have a really pretty gold marble one, and I think they have a gray marble one as well. Some really pretty styles. And these bottles are kind of splurgy, but I have to say I have never had a better water bottle in my life. This thing is so insulated. My water stays so cold all day. I can put ice in this in the morning, and when I go to bed at night, there's still ice like clinking around in this. That is how insulated these bottles are. And it just like, it feels good in the grip of my hand. Like the contour is really nice to carry. Totally recommend it. I got this one at REI. I've seen Swell bottles also at Nordstrom. They're kind of carried everywhere. So if you look around, you'll find the line, or you can shop them online. I'll have a link down below. Another favorite of mine recently has been these Bluetooth earbuds. I have finally made the switch from corded headphones at the gym to wireless Bluetooth headphones, and I don't know why I waited so long. If you are still like plugging your earphones into your phone at the gym and like running it through your shirt or letting like the cord swing around, because it was always so uncomfortable for me, like where my headphones cord was while I was working out. I found these on Amazon for I think $29.95, and they come with all different like earbud sizes and things to like get it to fit your ear right. The brand is Phaser. I've never heard of that before. I'll have it linked down below if you want to check these out. Also, something kind of cool is these magnetize together like this, which I guess just kind of keeps them from getting too tangled up, like if they were loose. And then of course I have a few beauty favorites to share with you guys. The first one has been my nail polish color of the season. This is Essie's Flashed from their Gel Couture line, and I just am still not sick of this. I have been painting and painting my nails with this color all season long, since like the fall, and I just am not over this color yet. I love it because it's a bright red with a little bit of an orange tint to it, just slightly orange, and it makes it feel kind of bright and festive. Moving on to a makeup favorite from recently, I have been using the Burberry contour stick. I'm the shade medium, and this is the nicest little luxury to have in your makeup bag. It's just this fine, well not super fine, but just a small contouring stick that is so perfect for contouring your nose. That's basically all that I use it for, but it is so easy to just draw lines down the side of your nose and blend it out with your finger, and your nose is contoured. And it's like, I call it a luxury item because obviously you could use your regular face powder to contour your nose, but this is just so easy and simple, and it's creamy, and I like the color, and I'm just obsessed with this product. I definitely recommend it for finer contouring on the face. However, I would not recommend it for an overall contour product, because that's how I first used it. And I was like doing all of my cheek contour and around my forehead and around my jawline. And I'm a pretty heavy contourer, and I swear I used like a quarter of this stick in a couple of days doing it that way. So it's pretty spendy to use it for an all over contour. So now I just use it on like the finer bits that I would maybe want a little extra. You can also use it in the crease of your eyes. It's just such a nice little nifty luxury product to have in your makeup bag. And then the last favorite I have to share with you guys is a face mask. I've been using the Caudalie Moisturizing Mask, and this is amazing in this dry winter weather. My skin has been especially dry recently. And the instructions on this mask say to put it on for 15 minutes and then wash it off, but I never wash it off. I take like a good chunk of this and I like slather it all over my face before bedtime and then I sleep with it on. So technically it's not an overnight mask, but I always use it as one. So those are 5 things I've been loving recently. I will have all these listed and linked down below if you want to check them out. Thanks for watching. It's nice to see you guys and stay tuned for more videos soon. Bye.